Sir, reasoning.
Beta, first you all tell me that what was the last question that we did in reasoning?
Sir, the last question was that when some boys are sitting in a row, P is sitting 14th from the left and G
Just a minute,
is
just a minute, just a minute.
Sir, we have done 7.
Yeah, now tell me the question. What was the question?
Sir, the question is some boys are sitting in a row. P is sitting 4th from the left and Q is 7th from the right. So 14th from the left and Q is 7th from the right.
Okay, note down the next question. This is your next question, note down.
Sir, please.
Sorry. I hope you all are writing the question.
Sir,
Yes. Yes. Have you all written the question?
sir, please wait.
Okay.
Sir, we have to write the answer in chat box.
Yes, you have to write your answer in the chat box. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to see your answers now. Okay, only 4 students have given the answers. It was a very simple question. Why the others have not given the answers? I want an answer from all of you.
सब मैंने भी दे दिया.
Others also give your answers.
Sir, I also give.
So one more time, I'm going to share the screen and I want an answer from all of you. Okay, now I'm going to stop it. Still only 7 answers are there. So the question is actually the correct question for today. I think we have taken this question on the right day. Am I right or not? Those who have given the correct answers, they can understand. We have taken the question on the right day or not?
Yes, sir.
We have taken it on the right day. चलिए question में कह रहे हैं if, yeah, I will tell you. If the day before yesterday was Saturday, was it Saturday day before yesterday?
Yes, sir.
In real also it was a Saturday day before yesterday. That is why I am saying that we have taken the question on the right day. So day before yesterday it was Saturday. That means what is the day today? It is Monday. Monday को ही तो हम ऐसा बोलेंगे कि day before yesterday it was Saturday. So that means presently what day is today? It is Monday. What day will fall on the day after tomorrow? Day after tomorrow क्या होगा? Tomorrow क्या होगा? Tuesday. Day after tomorrow क्या होगा? Wednesday. Answer is
So Wednesday.
Wednesday is the answer. Okay. Got it?
So confusing.
हाँ, little confusing. इतना भी confusing नहीं है. थोड़ा सा बस सोचना है. You can give the answer easily.
Sir, I gave the answer Tuesday.
Most of you have given the answer Tuesday. I don't know why.
Yeah, I also.
Tuesday. Simran has said Friday. Ansh Tuesday. Bharat Tuesday. Kush Friday. Mohammad Hamza Tuesday. मोहम्मद हमजा ने बाद में सही करके वेडनेसडे बोला है. वेडनेसडे. ठीक है. चलिए. सो ओनली वन करेक्ट आंसर. चलो कोई बात नहीं. ओके नेक्स्ट वन. अच्छा तो रैंकिंग का क्वेश्चन आ गया. वी आर डूइंग रैंकिंग ओनली ना. रैंकिंग ही तो कर रहे हैं. ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Yeah, note down the question. First, you all give your answer in the chat box. And after giving your answer, you note down the question in your copies. Don't forget to note down the question in your copy also. Okay. Only 3 answers till now. 4. So much time you all are taking to give one answer. Do it quickly, yaar. Chalo, good. So I've got 5 answers. Everyone, give the answer. Okay. Done, all of you?
Sir, I am given.
Okay, let's discuss the question. कमलेंद्र सर की आवाज आ रही है मुझे कहीं से मेरे पास तक पहुंच रही है कमलेंद्र सर की आवाज इसके घर पर पढ़ा रहे हैं कमलेंद्र सर अस्वा बेटा कमलेंद्र सर पढ़ा रहे हैं दीदी को
Yes, sir.
Sir, please consider my second one answer.
चलो बढ़िया कमलेंद्र सर को मेरी तरफ से हाय हेलो कमलेंद्र सर हाउ आर यू अगर मेरी आवाज उनके पास तक पहुंच रही है तो हाँ जी बेटा अभियान
Yes, sir.
what are you saying
Sir, please consider my second answer. I have sent two by
okay,
mistake.
okay I will consider your second answer okay okay so the question is in a row of 30 boys R is fourth from the right and 30 boys हैं R is fourth from the right end W is 10th from the left end how many boys are there between R and W easy लग रहा है मुझे क्वेश्चन
Sir, because there are 30 boys, so sir, it is difficult to me. Sir, please make it explain. That's why I did not give
Sir,
the correct answer.
Sir, 30 minus 10
yeah
minus 1.
चलो अभी देखते हैं in a row of 30 boys R is fourth from the right R की बात करें तो R is fourth from the right end से fourth and W is 10th from the left end हाँ W is 10th from the left end left वाले end से W is 10th I hope you all are seeing the board is it visible to everyone board
Yes, sir.
अब you have to tell इन दोनों के बीच में कितना है okay how many are there in between so if we include W को include करें W को भी count करें if we count W as well so यहाँ total कितने हो गए from the left side 10 ये कितने हैं 10 है these are 10 यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये कितने हैं पूरे 10 है बीच में पता नहीं कितने हैं और यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये कितने हैं how many are these if we count R also including R को count करके 4 है तो 10 और 4 बीच में कितने हैं पता नहीं वही फाइंड करने हैं तो टोटल हाउ मेनी टोटल कितने हैं ये पूरे 30 so 30 minus 10 plus 4 10 plus 4 कितना हो गया 14 आंसर कितना हो जाएगा 30 minus 14 this is 16 16 is the answer okay
Sir, my is correct.
very good so answer is 16 let us now see the
So,
answer.
what is the answer?
16 okay
Sir, I also given 16.
push answer is correct Simran's answer is correct then Abhiyan's answer is correct very good so 3 students have given the correct answer Abhiyan Push and Simran and now Muhammad Hamza also Okay, very good. Next question. Ready, all of you? Last question of the topic. Correct? Then we will start with maths. चलो इसके बाद एक और देंगे. Two more questions. Second last. So I hope you will do this one correctly. It is of the same type. Not division. बेटा आप लोग भूल जाते हैं कि आंसर देना है. Only 3 of you have given the answers, and it is same type of question, exactly same. बाकी बच्चे आंसर नहीं
Sir,
दिए.
I
What about अभियान, अंश? चलो यश टिकियानी ने आंसर दे दिया. अभियान, अंश, भरत, नारायणी, शिवम पटेल, उत्कर्ष, दिव्यांश. दिव्यांश तो ऑडियो ही कनेक्ट नहीं करा है. मोहम्मद हमजा. कितना टाइम लगाओगे एक एक क्वेश्चन में? If you will do this speed, you will not be. अच्छा, मतलब अगर आप ये वाली स्पीड से करेंगे तो हाउ विल यू कंप्लीट योर एग्जाम, मतलब टेस्ट? The test will have 20-25 questions. You will get 1.5 hour. 25 questions. How will you do? Okay. So let us discuss. In a class of 50 students, M is 8th from the top. 50 students are there. M is 8th from the top. H is 20th from the bottom. So बिल्कुल same है. You will add 8 and 20. Starting के 8 हटा देंगे, including M. And bottom से 20 हटा देंगे, including H. तो बीच में जो बच्चे बचे हैं वो मिल जाएंगे हमको. समझाऊं कैसे? देखिए, M is 8th and H is 20th from the bottom. Okay, तो आपको ये मिडिल वाले निकालने हैं. So ये 8 ये माइनस कर देंगे, 20 ये माइनस कर देंगे, ये वाले 20. तो 20 और 8 यहाँ से दोनों जगह से हटा देंगे. That means 50 minus 8 plus 20. दोनों माइनस कर देंगे. So you get 50 minus 28. Answer is 22. 22 is the answer.
Sir, my answer was correct.
Very good.
Sir, my answer was correct.
Very good.
Sir, my answer also correct.
Very good. चलो
Sir,
बताओ.
I considered M and H, and then I answered 24. I considered H and M also.
H और M को तो कंसिडर करना ही है. उनको काउंट करके तो माइनस करा है हमने. M को भी हटाना है, H को बिठाना है. उनके बीच वाले आपको चाहिए. तो M 8 स्टूडेंट, M को काउंट करके 8 हो गए और H को भी काउंट करके 20. नाउ इन दोनों को काउंट करेंगे and then you subtract from 50. Answer will be 22. Okay, so बताओ. अंश आर्या has given correct answer. Kush has given correct answer. Simran correct answer. Asfa correct answer. उसके बाद वाले बच्चे थोड़ा लेट हो गए हैं, तो वो मैं आंसर कंसीडर नहीं कर. Okay, next question. So this type of question can also come. Okay, next type of ये वाले type भी आ सकते हैं. Okay, I'm going to share the question. Read it carefully. These type में
थोड़ा पर तो रहा है अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा. नहीं, मेरे पास नहीं है.
Do the question, give the answer in the chat box, and note down the question in the copy. So this type of question can also come in your test. Okay. Can क्या आएगा ही मतलब? It will come. जितने भी type के questions I am discussing with you all type of questions will be there in your exam. Okay, so what are your answers? Let me first see the answers and then I will explain. Correct answer is 4. So Abhiyan has given the correct answer. Very good. And Hamza has given the correct answer. Bas, only 2. So let me share the screen again and then I will explain. How many 4s are there preceded by 7? Do you know what is the meaning of preceding?
So means behind.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
before
Behind.
4. The number coming just before 4. Okay, just before the number that is coming just before. So 4 से पहले 7 आना चाहिए, but not followed by 3. मतलब 4 के आगे 3 नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, 4 से पहले 7 होना चाहिए, 4 के आगे 3 नहीं होना चाहिए. Not followed. Clear? Not followed का मीनिंग समझ में आ गया? मतलब 4 के आगे 3 नहीं होना
Sir,
चाहिए. तो लेट्स काउंट. तो 7 4 2, 4 से पहले 7 है एंड 4 के आगे 3 नहीं है. दैट मीन्स दिस इज करेक्ट. इसको आप काउंट कर सकते हैं. तो 1 पहला हो गया. सेकेंड टाइम 7 4 6. शुड बी काउंट दिस और नॉट? 7 4 6 काउंट करना चाहिए ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज 4 से पहले 7 है एंड 4 के आगे 3 नहीं है. So we will count it again. Next one, 7 4 1. Again you will count it. Same case. 4 से पहले 7 है, 4 के आगे 1. Yeah, that means 3 नहीं है. So again you will count. So 3 हो गए अब तक. Next, we should count this one or not? Tell me.
No, sir. Not.
no, sir. Sir, because it has 3.
Yes, because it has 3 after 4. So we should not count it. So अभी तक 3 हुए. This one we will not count. What about this one?
Sir,
We
we
should
can
count it?
count.
We can count. Yes. So 7 4 6. 4 के पहले 7 है and 4 के बाद 3 नहीं है. So again we will count it. So total कितने हो गए? 4. What is your answer? 4 is the answer. Have you all understood कैसे करने हैं these type of questions? Very simple.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So different type of questions we are discussing. I know when you practice and same type of questions, if I ask you again and again, you will be able to give answers. But I have to matlab, discuss all type of questions with you all. That is why I am taking different type of questions every time. So that is